At Infuse, we develop mobile applications on top of a content management platform called SoloFire. In its simplest form, SoloFire is a collection of folders and files organized much like one would on their personal computer, but with several features and benefits that marketing and media administrators need. An admin is given full control with our apps to add, remove, hide, prevent sharing, or lock a particular file. Document metrics reveal valuable data about what has been shared and viewed. While there are many cloud library services available in the market, Infuse is able to stand above the rest through its unique customization features. Let's take a look at a success story. Olympus came to Infuse with the need to control content served up in a mobile app, but also the need to dynamically build sales stories using that content. We created a custom front-end library that changed the normal folder drill-down structure to one that groups and searches files based on keywords, making it easier for their reps to quickly find topical content for their sales engagement. We also included a custom sales story section containing content about challenges and solutions, which is all controlled by the backend. This allows Olympus's marketing team to customize the app for each and every business unit, all without the need to return to Infuse for additional development. And finally, our custom-built media viewer. It can display all the common file types with additional support to allow filling out PDF forms with text fields, radio buttons, and signature fields. Even more powerful is its ability to display your own custom-built web applications, giving you even more flexibility for how you can customize your app. Infuse. Our development team and mobile apps stand above the rest. It's just one more way we continue to improve clinical outcomes through creativity infused with technology.